Microsoft Excel is one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly tools for data professionals. Whether you're organizing data, performing calculations, or creating visualizations, Excel provides a wide range of features to support your work. In this lesson, we shall explore the basics of Excel, including its interface, key features, and why it's such a powerful tool for data analysis. We shall also briefly mention Google Sheets, which works similarly to Excel, but it's entirely cloud-based and free. Both tools share many of the same functionalities, so learning Excel will also prepare you to use Google Sheets effectively. Excel is widely regarded as the Swiss Army knife of data analysis, and this is due to the following reasons. Number one, Excel is user-friendly. It requires no coding knowledge, it's just point, click, and type. 2. Excel is versatile, and therefore it can handle everything from simple calculations to complex analysis. It is easily accessible, and it is available on most computers and widely used across industries. And last but not least, it allows collaboration. And while Google Sheets is better for real-time collaboration, Excel now offers cloud sharing options. So for beginners, Excel provides an excellent foundation for learning data analysis concepts before moving on to more advanced tools.